Good morning, friends. Happy weekend. It's a lovely morning, and I thought today let's go together for a morning walk. But before we go for a morning walk, this little munchkin he needs to do his business. So I just got him outside. So Chance, do your business. And I don't know who said to me, but from my childhood, uh, was mom used to say that if you walk bare feet on grass in the morning when it's like morning dew is there, it's really good for your eyes. So I really like that. You can try it. It's good for your eyes. So Chance is done with his business, and I'll drop him, and then we are ready to go for our morning walk. Before we start our walk, it's good to have something which can give you some energy. So I'm having some apple, but you can have fresh juice or anything, banana. It has potassium and it will give you lots of energy. For today, I feel like having apple and some water. So are you ready for the walk? Let's go. So let's start our walk now. It's a beautiful morning, perfect weather, 68 degree Fahrenheit, which is basically 18 degrees Celsius. And the sun is not up yet. It's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm really excited to take you around the loop which I always take. It's a 4 miles loop, which is 6.4 kilometers. And I try to do it every morning, but sometimes, with early morning meetings and my little one's school, it's not possible to cope up with the whole week. So I try to do it at least 4 to 5 days a week then. So let's go enjoy our walk. The loop I take, it's basically around our community. So you can see lot of runners, walkers, joggers during this time, and lot of people has dogs, so they just go with the dog in the morning. And I prefer to take this route because I can see a lot of other people, but we have a walking trail exclusive which is a little bit isolated. So in the morning I really like to see people around, so I prefer to take the little crowded route. So let's go and see what else we can find. And you can enjoy the nature, and sometimes I come across deers, turtles, then lots of birds. So I don't know what we will find today. Now we are approaching towards a downhill. It's a very rolling hill which adds up to your cardio. Isn't it beautiful morning? So quiet. I can hear birds chirping. It's beautiful. And we are close to the walking trail which I was telling you guys. It's a little bit isolated, but it's lovely. I have been to that trail also. It's gorgeous. You can see a runner coming. So this is the trail which takes you around the woods. And can you hear the bird chirping? I can hear it very clear. I'm not sure whether my phone is catching that. And that area, there is a stream going there. So sometimes I see deers, like a family of deer, mom, dad, and the kids. They have maintained the woods very well in between the residential community. Here you can see meadow area. This is also man-made, and they are maintaining it for the ecosystem, for pollination, for the insects. So even on that slope, one section they are not even mowing grass. As I said, they are maintaining the meadow in there. And to add up to your walk, to boost up your cardio, how about we go and walk on that slope? It's a 45-degree slope, so it will be fun. Let's go. So we are here, and that's the slope. Let's go and check out what's on the top of the slope. It's a good warm-up as well. What do you think? So that's our clubhouse. We have a gym and a pool. And here's a little viewpoint from where you can see the downhill I was talking about. It's like a valley, little valley. See? So we are now on top of the hill, and that's the valley we crossed. There's the meadow they are maintaining, and across it's all the residential area. I am warm up now, ready for the walk. Alright, let's go check some more interesting thing. I'm very curious if I can find some animals, small animals, deer, and show it to you guys. Let's check it out. One of the interesting thing I would like to share with you guys is during this pre-fall season, many trees in this area are infested by these caterpillars. You can see it's creepy though, but can you see these webs? They are forming the webs, and inside that there are lots of caterpillars, and these leaves turned brown because they have sucked all the nutrients from it. So this is scary as well. You don't want to go close to it, but many trees in this area are infested during this time, and then after fall you don't see these webs. Isn't this interesting? Although if you go closer to it, it will freak you up, seeing all those caterpillars. We are now close to the daycare and the elementary school in our neighborhood. That's where basically my daughter Iana goes. You can see that's the school field, and across there the brick building. I think it's not clear from here, the trees are making a barrier. Let's go a little more farther. So basically the school is walking distance from our home. It's not that far, very close. That's the elementary school, but it's so quiet now with the COVID situation. It's all hybrid education, it's all virtual. The little ones are missing their friends, but the whole day they sit in front of the computer, as the rest of the world everybody is doing at this point. But the main thing now is to be careful, keep social distancing, so this time will get over. But it's affecting a lot for the kids, as they are not able to mingle with their friends, play outside. I really feel bad for them. But that's the school, the elementary school. Hope you are enjoying so far. We will be going across. From here, it's the main road we will be taking, and there you will see the middle school and the high school as well, which is basically for this community. I'm already exhausted. We have came maybe quarter of the distance which we are going to cover, which is around 6.4 kilometers. So let's go and check what else we can find. We have lots of farmland around, and as you can see, that's a cornfield, corn plantation, It's a huge area. Hope you can see it from here. That's the cornfield, covering I think 88 acres of land. And then this is a small patch where we are going to walk next to the main road, but it's a very little patch, and then again we will get into our neighborhood. Check this out. These are some kind of berries. I am not sure, you might be able to figure it out, but these looks awesome. Is it custard apple? I'm not sure, but the whole tree is full of these fruit or berries, whatever it is, and it's lovely. Squirrel. He's hiding now. He doesn't want to come in front of the camera, it seems. Where are you, buddy? Alright, he's gone. Isn't it amazing how they maintained all these woods next to the residential area, next to a main road? Behind these woods is our neighborhood. It's lovely. Kids are playing basketball so early in the morning. It's really good to see them so active. Check this out. I guess there are two coaches who are training these little ones. And next to them here they are playing tennis. It's Saturday. They are trying to make it a productive morning, I guess. This cold breeze, the morning freshness, the greenery, the smell of fresh pines, as well as the bird chirping, and everything around makes you appreciate the nature much more. That's a doggy. He's very excited. And I love this morning walk. And I get ready for the whole day now. It makes me really happy. I hope you are also enjoying. Look at these pine trees. They are beautiful. The smell of pine really makes you feel happy. Look at this. I guess it's jasmine. It's smelling so good. Wow, I love it. Look at these. Smells like jasmine, so I'm guessing it's jasmine. Gorgeous. Aren't all these natural beauty makes us happy? This is so nice. See, that's why I said like morning walks really makes you happy, take away all the anxiety or tension, your worries, and set you ready for the whole day. Let's go find out some more. This is a little marketplace in our community where you can basically find the basic stuffs. A grocery store, a pharmacy, couple of restaurants. It's very handy for us. We don't have to go far away if we need a bottle of milk or we need to run by the bank or something. So this is a little marketplace for us. It's full of greenery and we are going into the woods now. This trail takes you to a short patch of isolated woods area. It's very nice. gorgeous. You can hear the birds. Oh my god, look at these berries. So many. Looks like blackberries though. And here are pretty lilies, pink lilies. They are so pretty. It's funny, one time I saw a family of fox here. Mom, dad and 2 little kids. So sometimes it's scary too if you come really early in the morning or in the evening time. He got something to eat. They are camera shy, I bet. It's hard to capture them. Finally we are back now and it's time to have some fresh juice. I have pineapple and ginger and carrots today, which I'm thinking of making juice with, and a little bit of lemon juice, and if you want to add some fresh mint to it, that's icing on the cake. So I'll get some fresh mint from my garden and then we are ready to prepare some juice. Here's my fresh homemade juice is ready. Thank you for coming along with me this morning and appreciating the nature. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe my channel. I'll come back soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.